Welcome back to RAVETerinary, your trusted source of information on pet care. In this video, we'll be discussing a topic that every pet owner should be familiar with: common parasites in pets and how to prevent them. Parasites can wreak havoc on our furry friends' health and well-being, but with the right knowledge and preventative measures, we can keep our pets happy and healthy. So, let's dive in and learn more about these pesky creatures and how to protect our beloved companions. 1. Fleas, tiny yet troublesome. Fleas are perhaps the most well-known parasites that affect pets. These minuscule insects thrive in warm and humid environments, and their bites can cause severe itching, redness, and even allergic reactions. To prevent flea infestations, regular grooming and thorough cleaning of your pet's bedding and living areas are essential. Additionally, using veterinarian-recommended flea preventatives such as spot-on treatments or oral medications can effectively control and prevent flea infestations. 2. Ticks, stealthy disease carriers. Ticks are blood-sucking parasites that latch onto the skin of animals, including our beloved pets. Not only can they cause discomfort, but ticks are also notorious for transmitting diseases such as Lyme disease, EHRLICHIOSIS, and anaplasmosis. To prevent tick infestations, it's crucial to check your pet's coat regularly, especially after outdoor adventures. Removing ticks promptly using proper techniques, tweezers or tick removers, is essential. Consult with your veterinarian about preventive measures, such as topical treatments or tick collars, which can help protect your pet from these dangerous parasites. 3. Intestinal worms, a hidden threat. Intestinal worms, including roundworms, hookworms, whipworms, and tapeworms, are common parasites that can affect our pet's digestive system. These worms can cause a range of symptoms, including weight loss, diarrhea, and malnutrition. Regular deworming is crucial to prevent and control these parasites. Consult with your veterinarian to determine the appropriate deworming schedule based on your pet's age, lifestyle, and risk factors. Maintaining good hygiene, such as proper disposal of pet waste and preventing them from eating feces or scavenging, can also help reduce the risk of worm infestations. 4. Heartworms, a silent threat. Heartworms are transmitted through mosquito bites and can affect dogs and, less commonly, cats. These parasites can reside in the heart, lungs, and blood vessels, causing severe damage and potentially leading to heart failure. Preventing heartworm disease involves using monthly preventatives prescribed by your veterinarian. Regular testing and early diagnosis are critical, as treatment for heartworm disease can be complicated and costly. Remember, prevention is always better than cure when it comes to heartworms. 5. Ear mites, a common foe. Ear mites are tiny parasites that live in the ear canals of pets, causing discomfort, itching, and irritation. If left untreated, they can lead to secondary infections and hearing problems. Regular ear checks and cleaning with veterinarian-recommended solutions can help prevent ear mite infestations. If you suspect your pet has ear mites, consult your veterinarian for proper diagnosis and treatment. Parasites are a persistent threat to our pet's health and well-being. However, by being proactive and implementing preventive measures, we can significantly reduce the risk of infestations. Regular grooming, maintaining cleanliness in living areas, using veterinarian-recommended preventatives, and scheduling routine checkups with your veterinarian are key to keeping your pets parasite-free.